Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Identify the exact ADT motion sensor model and the correct battery type so you won't stall. Once confirmed, grab a replacement battery, a small flat tool, and a soft cloth. Keep a ladder if the sensor is high. Make sure to set the panel to test or disarm mode to prevent an alarm. Next, gently open the sensor cover. Use the flat tool at the notch. Pry slowly to avoid plastic clips breaking, because those clips are fragile and vital for resealing. Once the cover is off, remove the old battery carefully, noting the polarity so you replace it exactly the same way. You need to clean the contact points with a dry cloth or cotton swab to remove corrosion or debris. Do not use liquids that could damage electronics. Insert the new battery matching the plus and minus orientation. Press until it seats firmly against the spring or contact, and ensure there's no wobble. After seating, lightly press the casing to confirm the internal components stay aligned. Once the new battery is in, snap the sensor cover back onto the housing until every clip clicks into place. Make sure the seal is flush so the tamper switch resets. Return the control panel to normal operation and run a sensor test. Watch the panel or app to confirm the motion sensor reports correctly. If the sensor fails to respond, remove the cover, reseat or rotate the battery to ensure contact, inspect wiring for looseness, and clean contacts again. This simple reseat fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.